With big brands now stepping it up in the orbital world, especially when it comes to water flossers, we thought we would take a quick look at some smaller, unknown brands trying to push forward in that same market. So today we have the SEJOY C91-BLA water flosser. The pack comes with everything you would expect when buying a water flosser, such as a detailed user guide with information on how to correctly clean your teeth properly, how to maintain the water flosser, as well as a list of all the functions. We also have a shotgun USB charge cable, 5 standard jet tips, 1 orthodontic tip, 1 periodontal tip, and a tongue cleaner. Let's take a look at the SEJOY water flosser itself. At first glance is, yep, very nice big 230ml capacity water tank. We got oh hang on, it's plastic. Oh, I thought this was a rubberized grip. It's actually smooth black ABS plastic. The water flosser does however have a nice plastic chrome control surround, and we do like the matching chrome detail around the nozzle port. Let's just go ahead and insert a nozzle just now. Just pushing it into place, it should click, and to release that same nozzle, you basically got to press that chrome button and pull the nozzle out just like so. Let's go ahead and open up that massive tank to the rear. It does have a rubber seal to stop leakage. You can just about see that tube inside. That when the water flosser is turned on, water basically gets sucked up and sprayed out of the nozzle, just like this. So yep, the rubberized power button sits to the top front side, but if we take a look underneath it, we have 5 floss modes. We've got soft, gentle, normal, strong and pulse. All indications of those particular modes do again sit on that control panel, with that last LED light indicating when the unit is indeed being charged. To charge the 1800mAh battery, it's real easy to do. Simply remove the water seal and go ahead and insert the charge cable. Easy peasy. But it is quite a shame that that rubber seal is not connected to the actual bottle itself. As you can imagine, this will most likely get lost after a short amount of time. Now, we have practically been using this SEJOY C91-BLA water flosser since the end of August last year. Yes, many months later, it's now 2024, and the reason why we've used it for so long is because it's not like an electric toothbrush, where one toothbrush basically can underperform compared to another. This is all about the durability of the water flosser and how long it lasts. So, after 3 to 4 months, I'm pleased to say that the SEJOY water flosser is still going strong. Yes, that rubberized water seal in the charge socket is still intact, I've not lost it just yet. But one of the big aspects that we liked about using it is all of the nozzles that were included. Each one of them specifically has its own uses. If you take a look at the nozzles themselves, they'll have a good angle to the tip, so to reach way back behind the back of your teeth. Those same nozzles, by the way, they can rotate, so you'll be able to adjust the grip of the tank. The only thing that really was an issue is that grip, well, it's not practically grippy. And because the tank is gonna get wet, it did almost slip out of our hand a good few times. Other than that, I would advise anyone using the water flosser for the first time to go ahead and use that soft mode first. Take it easy for the first week, and then go ahead and advance through to gentle, normal, and then if you want, go on to strong mode or pulse mode. By the way, if you already suffer from bleeding gums, I wouldn't attempt to use any of the strong modes whatsoever. Like I said, just take your time and you'll be fine. So yes, I must admit, the SEJOY water flosser has made a difference. Obviously, I've tested other water flossers in the past. I can't say one is better than the other. It does have a good pulsation. The battery lasts quite a long time. Like I said, the grip is the only issue, and I can actually now feel the gaps that I've opened up where the crack that I thought I didn't have once sat between my teeth, especially to the rear of my gums. Yeah. Now, I couldn't keep up with the usage time. To be honest, I did charge this unit around about 3 times since August, and when charging it, it does average between 3 hours 30 minutes to 3 hours 43 minutes. Yes, it does seem kind of a long time to charge a water flosser, but don't get me wrong, you will get a long use out of it, and when you're using that water flosser, it does have an included 3-minute auto off function. Yes, the price is showing on screen just now. It's in pounds and US dollars, yes. And it's not a bad choice of a water flosser really. It will help wash away food residue and help prevent oral bacteria. bacteria. Now we're going to rate this SEJOY water flosser an 8 out of 10 today. We did give it that score as mentioned because of that grip. And again, we do wish that that rubberized power socket seal was connected to the device so not to lose it, but certainly we can recommend this today. Now if you want to check it out for yourself, I have left a link in video description down below. You can take a look for yourself, and if you like what you're seeing, well, why not go get yours? If you could do us a big favour though, click like on this video, or in fact share this video. The more you click that like button, the better it helps us grow. Not only that, please subscribe also, bearing in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now we're going to bang out a few more videos in the next week, so stay tuned for those brand new gadget tests, yes. In the meantime, check out some of our other product reviews showing on screen just now. Don't forget, there's one right here too. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Peace.